Your quest for an excellent lemon cake starts here.
Welcome to a fierce twist. Today we're making a sweet, soft, buttery, tangy, and perfectly textured lemon cake.
Let's get right into it. In a bowl, I'll be adding some butter, sugar, and lemon zest.
I'll be whisking this together until it is light and fluffy.
And then I'll add some oil and continue whisking. I'll be adding 2 eggs, one at a time, and continue whisking this.
Friends, my kitchen is already filled with an amazing sugary and buttery aroma. And this cake right here will taste as good as its aroma.
I prefer to use fresh lemons for this recipe. So with the help of my lemon squeezer, I'll be extracting some lemon juice for our lemon cake. I'll be adding some vanilla extract to this and continue whisking. I'll add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and keep whisking this. I'll be sifting my flour, baking powder, and salt into this mixture. I'll mix everything together until it is well incorporated. I'll add half a cup of milk and continue mixing this. So what I'll be doing is transferring this mixture into a baking pan which I earlier lined with parchment paper. And bake this in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. I'll use my kitchen spatula to create a smooth and flat surface on the top of my cake and place this in the oven. Lemon cake is done. This is perfectly golden and beautiful. I'll allow my lemon cake to cool down and then transfer it onto a wire rack. This cake was so moist, light, and airy. I'll be poking my cake all round with a toothpick to allow my lemon glaze drip into my cake. For our sugar syrup, I'll be using a half cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of lemon juice and microwave this for a minute. I'll be applying my sugar syrup onto my lemon cake. This will allow the liquid soak into our spongy cake. It also adds the perfect amount of extra moisture to our lemon cake and gives it a touch of added sweetness. And most definitely elevates the lemon flavor in our cake. For our glaze, I'll be using 1 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice.
I'll whisk this together and get ready to glaze.
Friends, if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to be notified.
Look how appetizing this looks. This is perfection. This is so stunning. It was delicious, soft inside, light, and super moist. I really hope you give this one a shot. And please remember to give us a feedback when you're done. And I'll top this off with some lemon zest. And friends, it's time to enjoy our lemon cake. This cake was so delicious. It was soft inside, light, fluffy, and super moist.
Friends, just look at this texture, and the taste was super good. Thank you so much for staying with me on this one. If it's your first time here, this is a fierce twist. Kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. Until I see you in the next one, have a good week. Bye-bye.